This video provides a complete walkthrough with your Worksuite SaaS Superadmin panel. Let me walk through with Worksuite SaaS Superadmin panel. So this will be the dashboard that you will see right here. Next is the packages, where you can see the trial version for the experimentation. You can control your own package as per your client's need. Next is the company itself. You can see it here in company details. The front site, which involves a comprehensive package to meet all your clients' requirements right here. Then the manage front site, which you can choose your theme or customize your settings with the given settings with the panel right here. The multilingual, where you can customize your language as per your region. Next is the social login, where you can also log in with via multiple social media platforms like Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, or more. Next is the security, where you can, secure the data accessibility features, check through threats through artificial intelligence or AI. Next is the notifications, where you can uniform notifications formatting for email and Slack. You can categorize your notifications right here. We also have the customers, where you can see the organizational client details and invoices of the customers, an estimation for auto conversion of invoices, which leads into estimates. We also have here the contracts, where you can see it in the summary, where you can see it right here, contract. Then the projects, where you can also see or track the progress of the of your customers. We also have task here, where you can record the time taken for completions per task. Then we also have a ticket, where the audience and company queries are raised through these tickets. We also have the attendance of your colleagues. We also have their leaves or messaging and events. You also have this notice board for important news and reports and custom rules and permission. This is all if you're a super admin. Also have here custom fields where you can generate forms, and that is all. You can just explore more if you have the panel itself, but I think it is very comprehensive and easy enough to understand to all the individuals out there.